So I'm just finishing up on the steering wheel install here. Got the NRG quick release, and I got that one out. Now I'm just throwing this one in. Gonna tighten down the hub here. That should be plenty. Doesn't need to be extremely tight, but decently tight is good. So now gotta throw these little screws in. I don't know if you can see right now or not. Just trying to get a couple of screws lined up. So just throwing these screws in for the quick release hub. I had a tool for these, but I don't know where it went now. I'm really just doing this shit temporarily because I think I'm gonna put most of this stuff in my vert. But just wanted to see what it was gonna look like, and this car is running right now, whereas my other vert is not running. It needs a starter. And also my other vert has a leaky brake, so didn't really want to fuck with that in here right now. I'm not trying to get any fluids on the ground. But this and the coils and the wheels was a good project for no fluids to get spilled. And I think I'm gonna love this steering wheel once I get this on. It's kind of a bitch that there's all these tiny screws like this, but I guess if I had an impact with this hex piece, then it would be a hell of a lot easier. So morally, it's just having the right tools. So now that I got that on, the NRG hub to the quick release wheel, and that is on. So that was pretty easy, and it looks pretty good. Look a lot better with a 5-speed shift handle next to it, but we got this one wheel on, one coil, and probably get to the rest tomorrow. It's about 11:30, so